Hello, welcome to 4D Dig. Do you face the problem that important files are accidentally deleted and the recycle bin is emptied? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. In today's video, I will introduce 5 methods to recover files from the recycle bin even after get emptied. Before starting, please subscribe to us. You won't miss other videos. Method 1. Recover files by recycle bin. This method is easy, but in case someone doesn't know yet. Generally, after we click delete the files, they will jump into the recycle bin. So the first place you should check is the recycle bin. Double-click the recycle bin and select the files. Right-click them, select Restore. The files are finally back to their original locations. Method 2. Recover files by file history function. First, go to the folder where you accidentally deleted the files. Click the arrow to expand the ribbon, and you can find the history button. Click on it, you can browse the history of this folder. You can click the arrow to view the previous version. Click the Restore button, and deleted data will go back soon. Method 3. Recover files from Windows Backup. This method works when you already turned on the Windows Backup, and you also have an external hard drive. First, insert the external hard drive into the PC. Open the control panel. You can click this arrow to expand the All Control Panel items if you don't see the Backup and Restore function. Then, on the bottom, click Restore My Files. If you already backed up before, you should see the backup point. If you don't have a backup, let's move to Method 4. Method 4. Recover files from other backup. You may save the files on another backup platform, such as Google Drive, OneDrive, and iCloud. So you can log into that backup platform and find out if the files are there. Method 5. Recover files by 4D Dig Data Recovery Free. 4D Dig Data Recovery Free is a professional software that can scan your computer and find out any lost data. Moreover, you can get 100 MB free if you share it on social media. Download and install 4D Dig Data Recovery. Launch it, and you will see the home page. Click the Share button. You will get 100 MB free to try. Now, select the location and scan it. Select the types you want to scan. 4D Dig starts to scan and find all possible data from the drive. Once you find the file, select it, click Recover, and save it to a different location. Now, your files are back on your computer again. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any questions, you can leave your comments below. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to us. See you guys in the next video.